Total Fire is a fire protection company, servicing, maintaining and installing fire protection equipment within commercial buildings, mining equipment and infrastructure.
Total Fire started in 1999. It's basically in the garage at home. Back then the fire protection business was dominated by multinationals, and so someone like Total Fire, an independent coming in, was a little unusual. Difficult starts, but I think the secret is that you need to have that drive, that passion, and that heart. Linda, my wife, said one day, well, you know, did you've always wanted to have your own business? How about you have a look at it? And I can't imagine doing this with anyone else.
Why do we still do this after 20 years? I guess the answer for me is that I love my job. It's great to be a part of an industry that protects people.
Part of the excitement about this business is being able to take all those products and put them on an excavator, for instance, and know those people are going to be going home to their families every night. And this is something that's kept me driven and changed.
Total Fire is always striving to be the market leader in the fire industry.
We're looking constantly in the future, innovative ideas, new products that's going to help, you know, our customers out and what we're actually protecting, but also looking at new products to actually prevent fires from happening as well. So not just after the effect, prevent them from occurring.
Biggest thing about the fire protection industry is that it's evolving, it's forever changing. Technology is changing, and we have the foresight to wrap both arms around that change and take it to our customer base.
We're different than other businesses, I would say, because of the people. I guess we invest a lot, and that brings good quality service.
Total Fire it's a personal connection, I feel, between the customers and also our staff as well, instead of like the corporate and larger businesses around Australia. So gives us that ability to connect, I suppose. It's good how the owners of the business are directly related here with us as well, making the decisions and helping us out, supporting and really driving that culture as well.
It feels more like a family here and a part of a team rather than just an individual.
It's good to work around people that have the same values, the same work ethic. You know, you can hang your hat up at the end of the day and know that you've all worked together for a bigger picture. Like
all companies, we have difficulties, and I think the secret to that is truth. Tell the customer that this is what's happened, this is what happened, but have an answer. Have an absolute answer on where you can go with it, how you can make the change. The greatest advice I can give to a startup business is stay true to yourself. Be involved in what you're doing. Do not give up. No matter how hard it is, and no matter how difficult it is, and how many times you fall, get back up and go again, and it will prevail. I think the keenest thing that gets me out of bed every morning is there's customers out there who've been with me for 20, 30 years. I have an obligation to them to be the best we are, and I think whilst they still need me, I'll still come.